Welcome! In today's quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to install the Telegram app on your device using the latest method. Whether you're new to Telegram or just reinstalling it, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, this will be the Apple App Store. For Android users, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. Once you're inside the store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Next, tap on that search bar and type in Telegram. As you start typing, suggestions will appear, but make sure you select the official Telegram app. It usually has a paper plane icon on a blue background and is listed simply as Telegram Messenger. Always double-check the developer name to avoid downloading the wrong app. After finding the correct app, tap the Install or Download button. On iPhones, you might see a cloud icon or a Get button, while Android devices will show Install. If prompted, confirm the download using your password, fingerprint, or face recognition. Now, just wait for the installation to complete. This usually takes a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet speed. You'll see a progress circle filling up as the app downloads and installs automatically. Once the installation is finished, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Telegram for the first time. From here, you can start setting up your account by entering your phone number and verifying it with a code. And that's it. You've successfully installed Telegram on your device and are ready to start messaging, joining groups, and exploring all its features.